my Dungeons and Dragons. Probably my favourite figures out of my whole collection. So I had such good memories of these. Dungeons and Dragons. Up there you've got the Fortress, Fan Fortress. Absolutely beautiful set. TMNT, one of the most sought after figures of the Dungeon and Dragon range. Got these two here. I've never seen them before, so I'm glad to have them in my collection. Absolutely beautiful figures. Then you've got the Battle Beast. And the new Beast Saga. Got them all mixed up, so look absolutely awesome. Cut of the Laser Beast. And then down here, you've got Batman's Batcave. Bit of the Mortal Kombat. 3 Batmobiles. Well, actually, one's a Spider-Man vehicle. Awesome. Here we have Supernaturals. You can actually see them lighting up because obviously I've got the torch on, which is awesome. That green one's lighting up very well. Let's see, there you go. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Love the Supernaturals. And there's the Masters of the Universe mini collection, sorry. There's the most sought after She-Ra and the Horde robot, which I'm very glad to have in my collection. Fantastic. Love the way they light up. Look at that. That is just awesome. My Sectors. Again, absolutely love the Sectors. I think they're absolutely great. Hours of fun. And there's my Red Shadows. And the beautiful Robo Skull. Absolutely love my Red Shadows, and I keep telling you in my videos, guys, you just can't have enough Red Shadows. Absolutely beautiful. You come down to Cobra, and as you can tell, I love the Hiss tanks. So Cobra Savage in the corner, G.I. Joe from the movie, and just loads of Cobra troops, Destro. Absolutely love it. And then down the bottom, got Snake Eyes, Barbecue, and then my Snow Troops. So it's absolutely wonderful. This is down in the hallway. It's beautiful. Once again, let's have a close up of Robo Skull. Absolutely fantastic toy. Absolutely love it. Full force, action force. Cobra, la 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 la. You all know it makes sense, guys. This is the Dino Riders section of my toy collection. Absolutely love my Dino Riders. I think they're absolutely awesome. My pride and joy of that piece. T-Rex. Here we have the mask section. It's the mask video up there. So you've got Buzzard, Gator, Condor, Rhino, Firefly, Dynamo, Jackhammer, Stinner, and you've got Golef, Switchblade, Vampire, Piranha, Raven. Like I said guys, I'm really want to get Boulder Hill, but it will just have to take time. So that's my mask collection guys. It's coming along quite nicely. So very happy with that. And there we are, there's the Thundercats in my collection. I do love the Thundercats. I love that piece. It's another piece of my collection that I absolutely love. Got Slive in the original packaging. Not great packaging, but it's still there. And then down there you've got the little cats lair, Jagger, Lino, Tigra, Panthro, Wily Kit, Wily Cat, Linkso, Pumra. Got Vulture Man underneath there. Like I said guys, it's not the... No, I've got all the figures, I've got none of the Berserkers or nothing, but it's just enough for my little Thundercat section. I'm not saying I'll never get the Berserkers or nothing, but for now, I'm very happy with my Thundercat collection. This is my Visionary collection. Dagger Assault in the box. Lovely piece to any collection. Do love the Visionaries. Wish I'd have brought out more. But there you go. Darkstorm, Kravix, Sindar, Recon. They're all there guys. Maltrid. There's the good guys, some of the good guys. Come downstairs, Leoric, Witterquit. More to say the least. I've got 2 Capture Chariots, both in boxes. As I said, I do love Visionaries. Hopefully they'll re-release some and we can carry on the collection. Visionaries, love them. And there's my Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle little section. Got the 4 big guys. I've got my favourite Rocksteady and Bebop. Absolutely love them 2 figures. I've got the 4 miniature turtles. There's a Raph there. I'm not sure if that's the first one. And I'm not sure if that's the first Mike. But there's an up-to-date Leo. And then just round there, it's Super Shredder, which is in the box. So again, that is my Turtles section. More Transformers up here guys. Again, there's Ultra Magnus in the die cast. Got Starstream at the back there. Skywalk. Guys, that is my Unicron. There you go. In Transformers Armada. Absolutely beautiful figure. That's my favourite Megatron there in the background. Just a couple of Star Wars vehicles there. It shouldn't be there. There's Hand. You can just see Hand. Hound. Sorry, not Hand. Talking of Transformers. That's my lovely bumper pack on the movie, which I got at Comic-Con. It's absolutely awesome. Got RC, Cub, Blur, Ultra Magnus and Sprinter. And there's my Power of the Primes Dinobots. And then you got, I think it's Hotspot, is it? Absolutely awesome. And then there you got the old Insecticons, Blitzwing, Soundwave, Scourge, small Seeker Jets, Megatron, Thundercracker, Skywalk. Go down the bottom. This is my favourite section, my favourite Decepticon section. It's got all the original Seeker Jets. If you go at the bottom there, you can see Sunscreen and Starstream in the box and Skywalk in its box. And if you come down the bottom, guys, this is the they're all reissues down here. But it's all my Autobots parts. So I'm very, very, very happy with them. I do love them because they look like the original boxes. So I'm very, very happy with them. There's some more of my Transformers. Heroes of Cybertron. Come down, you can see the G1 and the G2 Dinobots. Very, very nice there. And obviously I've got Swoop in the box. I don't know if it's a reissue or not. I believe it is. But he's a very hard one to get, so I'm glad I've got him. There's the G1. Oh, sorry about the finger again. G1 Ultra Magnus. It doesn't work no more. At the back there, got another big Transformer from Dark Side of the Moon. It's one of the Primes. I do apologise, guys. My brain's gone dead. I can't think of his name. In the box at the bottom there, you've got Optimus Prime. You can just about see him. So that's that section. Sentinel Prime. That's it, guys. Sentinel Prime there. I believe that's going to be very collectible because it's hard to get now. Thank you very much. Fader by Hot Toys out. Hit the like button. Please subscribe. Thank you.